Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to refill a mechanical pencil easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So you want to refill your mechanical pencil. It's easy to do for the most part. This is the video for you. So let's say there's no more pencil rods in your sort of barrel over here of the mechanical pencil, or the chamber of the mechanical pencil, and you're pushing the clicker and nothing's coming out. So you've run out of lead or graphite or whatever you want to call it, because I used to call these lead pencils, right? You've run out of pencil rods, okay? So what you want to do is open the top. Sometimes you can remove the eraser, and other times you're going to have to remove the cap. But you want to gain access to essentially that part that leads to where the pencil rods come out of. Then you're going to grab your pencil refills. Now just give me a moment. I have them over here. I'm just trying not to lose them. So I have a few of them over here. So here's two of them, okay? So you're gonna put those pencil rods, so there's two right there, you're gonna put those pencil rods inside of the chamber. Now, with this mechanical pencil, as you can see, there is a small inner circle within the chamber. So I want those pencil rods to go in that inner circle. I have a third one here. I'm gonna put this one in as well because I don't wanna lose it. So I'm gonna put it in like that. Now, one of them has made its way into that center part. If your pencil rod did not make its way to sort of the loading zone, I'm gonna put the eraser back on just to make sure I don't lose any of them. If your pencil rod did not make its way into the actual loading zone, which is like that inner chamber, then just give it a couple of shakes, right? So now all of them, it looks like all of them are in that loading zone. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the clicker button a few times, and what's gonna happen is it's gonna grab one of the pencil rods, and that pencil rod will start coming out. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna click it a few more times, and the pencil rod that I loaded in there is now being grabbed by the grabbing mechanism, and I now have refilled my mechanical pencil, and I can then use it to write. As you can see over there, I'm trying to get it to focus. There you go, you can see right here. So it now grabbed it, and I can insert it back in, and I can push it out again. So essentially, that is how to refill a mechanical pencil. It's pretty easy and straightforward to do, but I just wanted to show you how to do it, because if you've never used one of these before, it might be difficult. You might not know how to do it. So I just wanted to show you how to do it in this simple tutorial. Tried to make it straightforward, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And that is truly it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.